Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a door lock. Replacing a door lock might seem daunting, but with the right guidance, it's a straightforward task that can significantly boost your home's security and curb appeal. We'll walk through each step, from gathering your tools to testing the new lock, ensuring you feel confident and capable throughout the entire process. Let's get started on making your home safer and more secure today. Before diving into the replacement, it's crucial to gather all your necessary tools. You'll typically need a screwdriver, a measuring tape, and possibly a chisel, depending on your specific lock type. We'll also discuss how to prepare the door frame and the existing lock area, ensuring a smooth transition for your new hardware. Proper preparation is key to a successful and hassle-free installation, saving you time and effort in the long run. Now, let's carefully remove the old lock. This usually involves unscrewing the visible fasteners on the interior side of the door, then gently pulling apart the various components. Pay close attention to how each piece fits together, as this will help you understand the installation of the new lock. Take your time and keep all screws and parts organized. A small container can be very helpful for this step. This ensures nothing gets lost. With the old lock removed, it's time to install your brand new security feature. Carefully follow the instructions provided with your new lock, ensuring all parts are correctly aligned and secured. Once installed, the most important step is to thoroughly test the lock's functionality. Check that the latch operates smoothly, the key turns easily, and the deadbolt engages fully. This final check guarantees your door is secure and ready for use, providing peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.